Solar system is the most important alternative for electricity. In most cases here in our region, there are some times that they are not light are light are not enough to support our engines and electrical appliances. So in this video I will teach you how to connect solar to the controller and to the inverter and to the battery, all the components we have. As you can see, this is our solar charger controller. It's 20 amps. It has 20 amps. So we have our inverter with 1000 amps. So we have two batteries, 62 amps, connected in parallel. So the solar controller has three different components to connect wire. The first component, as you can see, this place is basically used for the solar input. The second two parts are for battery, the place you can connect battery. So the last two terminals are for DC light, if you want to connect DC light. As you can see, our two batteries. So at the head of the battery you will see a positive sign which represents the red wire. At most, the red wire represents a positive charge. Also in this place you can see positive. So if during the connection process, you can see this wire, the first one we connect it to the positive terminal, the red wire. The second one we are going to connect it in this battery also. And also for this one, you can see this black wire is for the negative sign. So we have connected it, and also this one. So we have connected. So this connection is parallel connection, not series connection. So in series connection, basically the current doesn't change. The current multiplies while the voltage remain where it is. So in this place we have 62 amps battery. 62 divided by 62 times 2, we have almost up to 124 amps. Yes, so we have 124 amps together with 12 volts. So let us measure it and see. So here is our multimeter. We usually connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the second terminal. So as you can see, we have 2.91 volt. The battery is almost full. So let us progress to the connection process onto the charger controller. So first and the foremost, you are going to connect the battery to the solar controller to the two terminals. These two terminals, they show the sign for battery here. So basically, if you connect it, the solar controller will dictate the battery and measure the capacity and all the necessary important details about the battery. So as you can see, we have connected the battery terminals to the solar controller and he successfully started working. This is 12.9 volt with 12 volt battery. You see the temperature 39 degrees Celsius. So we are going to attach the solar wire to the charger controller now. So as you can see, if we connect the solar battery to the charger controller, you will realize that the arrows start prompting. as you can see, the voltage start increasing. So this shows that the solar connection is successful and electrons and all the currents are flowing successfully. So after that, we are going to attach the DC light. So we have DC light here. We are going to connect it, as you can see now. So now every wires are connected here, as you can see. So we are moving into the inverter, the process of connecting inverter. So this process is very important. This process is very important, as I said. So as you can see, this inverter, I have already attached it to this wall, and you can see it has two terminals. The red represents the positive and the black one represents the negative. So you can see here, so bring the red wire and connect it to this positive sign, and also the black one to the negative terminal, as you can see. So you can see two terminals are connected. So we are going to on the inverter. So as you can see, it started working. So you can attach it, and you can see it's working successfully. So this is how to successfully insert or how to install solar system. So if this video is helpful, you can kindly like and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you.